Vlore is the first city of the stunning coastline of the Albanian Riviera. It has beautiful beaches and offers a perfect place for sunseekers. Besides the crystal clear ocean and amazing views, the city of Vlore also holds lots of history. Vlore was the place where Albania declared its independence from the Ottoman Empire in 1912, and this event marked the birth of modern Albania. Nowadays, Vlore is a popular destination for both locals and tourists with a vibrant nightlife. If you happen to be in Vlore, then also don't miss out on Vlore Old Town, such a cute place with nice restaurants and bars. Start of the Albanian Riviera.
Yeah, and seems nice, and we also got a seaside view. So here, you open the balcony, and between those three, that's the ocean. Now the sun is coming from there, so you cannot see it. But it's actually so nice.
Yeah, the sea and the mountains.
First we arrived and we got a room. Somebody lived there. Like they didn't clean the room and they gave it to us, right?
Yeah, that was a mistake. But
yeah.
All good.
Now
we
we
had
got
enough rooms left, so.
Yeah, it's empty. I mean, it's November.
Indeed.
But yeah, we got this nice room. And actually, we're so excited to be in Vlore.
Yes, also because it was raining so much in the north of Albania.
Yeah, and here
So,
it's like 19 degrees.
Yeah, we were literally driving to the light. That's how it looked like. So yeah, super
It's sunny
exciting.
here, right? And yeah, we're probably gonna visit the ocean and eat somewhere tonight. And tomorrow, if the weather is good, we're gonna go to the really nice place. If not, it's gonna be after tomorrow, but we will show you. We hit that place here. It's called Famy. We have really good reviews, but when we entered,
it was empty. There's no kitchen.
there's nobody and no kitchen.
We're a bit confused. Like,
so confused.
where do they cook in the first place? There is nobody here either, just some locals. But the reviews were good, and the guy said he's a fisherman, so the fish is very fresh. So let's see.
We're so confused and at the same time curious to see how the food will taste, so we will see. The fries. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. We're adding some lemon. And we're gonna start the tasting. So that's mixed grill.
This is grilled.
That's mixed grill.
Mixed seafood.
It's actually good. It is fresh, actually.
Yeah, that's definitely fresh.
He's a fisherman, so it's the best. So
It was so good that we
had
ordered
to order
more.
again. That fish is so good.
Oh
That
my
is the
God.
second one.
We love it.
This shrimps looks so nice and fresh.
Yeah, they are fresh.
Smells fresh.
It's fresh food.
The fish with the lemon is the best thing you can have.
It's so juicy.
You smell the ocean in it. We're
The
heading now to
boulevard.
the boulevard.
It's like 20-minute walk.
After visiting the castle, we had to change place and do some more stuff fun. We're sharing almost everything. And now we're going to the boulevard. Maykel wants cocktails so bad. Because this guy gave us 2 shots and they were really strong.
So strong.
Yeah, 1 shot. But yeah, if you eat in that place, don't miss out that shot.
And in Albania, it's actually hard because everything
It's
is good except for one restaurant where we've been so far.
Yeah, that was only disappointing.
But the rest was so good.
Yeah. So we are in Brooklyn restaurant
That's right.
because we don't like smoking inside.
And lots of bars open the doors and you can just smoke outside, but it's basically also inside.
Yeah,
So,
so lots of bar smokes inside the bar and like big restaurants as well. So we don't like that because yeah, we just don't like it. So we finally found one that they don't smoke inside. It's called the Brooklyn.
Looks a bit fancy.
Yeah, undressed.
I feel a bit underdressed,
but it's so good.
Yeah, for a cocktail and a dessert.
We got cheesecake and the martini too. So let's see how nice it is. We got the martini. But what is this fruit again?
Passion fruit.
Yeah.
But this is champagne, I think.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you need to drink it as a shot.
It feels like a drinking it is. Because we had this one. And
It's champagne, right? Yeah, it's champagne. You want to drink it?
Yeah, but it's also some. Let's see the martini.
Want to add some passion fruits?
It's so good.
I want this in the martini, actually.
It is so good. Tasty.
It's so good.
Yeah, we put in it the passion fruit, and it's so good. What a beautiful cheesecake!
Looks so good.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's good.
Tastes good?
I don't know.
Let's see. Up, waiting for your review. Feedback? It's good?
Really good.
Yeah, nice. They are always lucky with good restaurants. And mostly in Albania, you have really, really good restaurants.
Yeah,
mostly.
definitely.
Oh, wow. This
Do we
is
have enough?
one of the best cheesecake, actually, that I've ever had.
Yes.
That's morning breakfast.
Yeah, nothing can beat the other one, right?
Now we're heading to the beach, which is basically
Next to our place.
this is where we live behind, and that's the beach. So, having a good day. We woke up like an hour ago at breakfast, and now let's dive in the ocean.
Oh, that's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be freezing, but I don't care. It's gonna be the best time ever. This is our friend Doggy.
Come back.
We gave him food in the morning.
Twice.
Twice.
That's why he's our friend.
Yesterday in the morning and today in the morning.
Oh, there's another dog.
And now, he kind of loves us.
He's waiting in the morning already.
Every day in the morning at 8 till 10, he's there on breakfast time. Our beautiful elephant. That is the best elephant we bought, right?
In Spain.
We bought it in Spain. Looks so cool. Look who's flying the drone, the master.
3, 2, 1.
That is a beautiful day, right?
Oh, I love it.
The doggy is here.
Another doggy here. Oh. He's gonna search for some gold.
Probably he's gonna sit
Yeah, that they belong to us.
Yeah. Super beautiful. You can see there's a ship there. I also tried to capture it in the drone. There's also another one there and another one there. We love this island over there. It looks so nice. Probably we're leaving tomorrow morning to another city. But yeah, I think the beach is the best part of Vlore. It's a small city, so there's not too much to do. You can go to Old Town. It's like 2 streets, small ones.
It's lovely to have a dinner there, or lunch, or coffee, and walk around there, and see the different kind of architecture. Because
So yeah, We're in the car going to where?
Well, not to Baba Kazuma.
We're going to Old Town in Vlore.
Yeah.
And we're gonna eat there. Anyway, yeah, that's the plan. So here we go. And tomorrow we're heading to another location.
Yeah.
We're going to Saranda.
Oh, yeah.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am?
Yeah, you see a lot of dogs and they live on the streets. And they're super healthy.
Yeah.
Not only on the streets, but also in the nature. Like there's a lot of nature
Yeah,
here.
in the mountains.
Yeah. No, all the dogs loves it here. They're always playing together.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong.
Here's the only place that we could get money with low fees. €6.
And you get euro out. That's the most important part.
Yeah. The other banks have a fee on the transaction, and also they convert the money for low fees.
Yay. Good?
€500.
Yeah, indeed. So,
That's the second 500.
well, only a transaction fee of 6.
Yeah, so they
No
take transaction
conversion.
fee of 6, no conversion rate, so you don't lose on your euros because other banks.
Give you lack, and the
Give you
conversion
lack.
rate is always bad.
Yeah.
Not in
so,
your favor.
So we've seen a video on YouTube talking about the other bank,
I don't know.
Credins Bank,
Yeah, credits.
and the fees of Credins Bank was €50.
Yeah, in total, because they take a percentage
Yeah,
of
indeed.
the amount that you get out.
So make sure don't take from Credins Bank. Maybe that bank is the best. So we exchanged the money. We used to pay in euros and calculated as €1 is 100 lakh, which is not good. Euro is 104 lakh. And yeah, we exchanged it €400 and we got 41,600 lakh. So we got 1,600 lakh more than we usually had. So it's better to take euro from the bank and exchange it to lakh and get more lakh and pay with lakh. Because the banks will take your lakh and give you a very low rate. And also when you pay in euro, you get a lower rate in restaurants, which is not good.
No English menu, no English speaking. So hopefully we ordered we get what we wanted. But I eat everything, so.
This is what we ordered. It looks so good.
Yeah, and it's fresh and it smells good.
Yeah.
Very important.
Is it good?
Really good. How's yours?
Top. I love it. It looks so nice. Like you feed your eyes before you feed your stomach. It was so good, so we had to order again, and we got the pita Arab, 2 of them, one for me, one for Maykel. The sandwiches before, they were Slovaki pool and tzatziki pool for Maaike.
Yeah.
And they were so
So fresh.
good. Like mine had a little bit too much sauce, but if I take it a little bit less sauce, just a tiny bit, it will be perfect. But it's so good already. So that was only €17
Yeah.
Maybe less actually, like it's 1,720 lek, around 16 € 50 or something like that. We couldn't even finish the food, so we packed it and we're gonna take it to the doggies. Now we're heading to eat something sweet and then go home, rest for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a long day.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This is the best way to support our journey and we would appreciate it a lot. Otherwise we can give a milkshake to the dog.
Nah, that you can't do.
No.
So, they look so nice.
It's so big.
Yeah, everything is big in Albania. Like, all the food is too much they serve, right?
Yeah, indeed.
So, let's taste. You go first. Oh la la.
So this was the one she recommended.
Yeah.
We just asked what do you recommend. Something with nuts, I'm not even sure what.
Mmm. Is it good?
So good.
It looks really nice. Let's see the cheesecake. Oh, the cheesecake is a bit cold. It's so nice. I love the topping.
What is it?
It's the same like the last time.
Cherry?
It's like, yeah, jam, something. Cherry jam.
Good boy.
Good boy.
We love to feed the dogs.
Yeah. I
With
mean,
our
they look
leftover
fit and
food.
healthy.
Yeah,
Some
they
of
do.
them a little bit tiny.
Yeah.
But I think that's natural in between all animals. And I like to see them, yeah, they just run and walk all day on the street.
Yeah, indeed.
And
And
all
they are
the-
nice as well.
Yeah, and all the leftovers from the food, we now pack them and take them to the dogs.
Yeah. But shall we also give something to another dog? You want some meat? He
Yeah,
wants
well,
meat.
see if
Yeah,
we like it.
he's gonna smash this. Yummy.